Winning trades, losing cash. The hidden mistakes traders make. A day trader's nightmare. You picked the right stock and still lost money. Sound familiar? Yep, it happens to all of us. You were right on the direction, right on the idea, but your trade still didn't work. You ended up losing money. I've been trading stocks and options for over 20 years, and I can tell you this, being right isn't enough in trading. Let me show you why this happens and how to fix it. And if you don't fix this mistake, you'll keep losing money on trades you actually called correctly. Today, I'll break down the 4 biggest reasons this happens and how to fix it. Welcome to Market Pro Trading. I'm Kevin Lloyd. I've traded through bull markets, bear markets, sideways markets, and everything in between. I've watched this mistake wipe out beginners and even seasoned prop traders. If you're serious about learning how to trade like a pro, you're in the right place. The first reason you can be right and still lose is timing. You chase the stock too early. It gaps up big at the open, you jump in, no hesitation. It pulls back, shakes you out, you take the loss. A few minutes later, it rips right up exactly like you predicted. That's not bad analysis, it's bad timing. Pros don't chase every move. They identify key levels and then they wait for confirmation. They enter when the odds are stacked in their favor. Patience is what gets you paid. The second reason for losing is position sizing. You were right about the direction, but your stop was too tight and your size way too big. Normal market noise knocks you out before the trade has a chance to work. Example, 1,000 shares with a 10-cent stop, that's $100 of risk. But if the stock normally moves 20 to 30 cents in seconds, you're guaranteed to get stopped out. Pros flip it around. They size down, widen the stop to where the trade actually makes sense and has room to work. And then they manage the risk so they can stay in the trade long enough to be right. And by the way, this is exactly what I teach inside Market Pro Trading, because the truth is, trading isn't just about spotting setups. It's about execution, discipline, and managing risk. If you want to stop guessing and start trading with a real framework, go check out the free guide at marketprotrading.com. I'll leave a link in the description. The third reason, poor trade management. You nailed the entry, your stock is moving, you're green, but you panic and sell too early. Cut your profits short. Or you can hold too long without scaling out and give it all back with a quick reversal. Pros don't wing it. They know where they'll take their partials, and they'll know how to trail their stops, exactly how to lock in profits while leaving room for the next big move. They manage the exit as carefully as the entry. And the last reason, the most important one, psychology. You might be right about the stock, but your emotions cost you the trade. Fear makes you cut winners short. Greed makes you add size at the worst possible time. Impatience makes you jump before the setup confirms. I've seen traders with million-dollar strategies blow up because they couldn't control themselves. Discipline is the real edge in trading. So how do you stop losing when you're actually right? Well, 1, you wait for confirmation. Don't chase. Let the market come to your level. 2, you size correctly. Risk small enough that noise doesn't kill your trade. 3, you plan your exits. Know your stop and profit targets before the entry. And number 4 is work on psychology. You journal your trades, you track your emotions, you review your mistakes. That gives you the confidence to hold tight during these pullbacks. You do these 4 things and you'll stop bleeding on trades. So the next time you say I was right, but I still lost, remember, being right on direction isn't enough. It's about timing, position size, and trade management. I hope this lesson helped, and if it did, hit that like button and subscribe, and share this with a trader who needs to hear it. And if you're ready to stop trading like an amateur and start trading like a pro, head over to Market Pro Trading. I've got a free guide waiting for you, plus coaching and courses built on 20 years of real-world experience. I'm Kevin Lloyd with Market Pro Trading. Trade smart, trade discipline, and I'll see you in the next video.